Hi friends, Dina Diva here with this compact single serve Keurig. What makes this Keurig different from others is its slim, space-saving design. Here you see where you can choose from the 3 different cup sizes. You have the 6, 8, or 10 ounce. And here you have the brewing area for your K-cup. The water tank is mounted on the back and can hold up to 36 ounces. It has a cool auto-off feature that turns the product off 2 hours after your last brew. That's pretty cool. The drip tray area is really easy to clean as it is removable. My favorite part is the short distance from the cup to the dispenser, so there's less splashing. In review, this product is super easy to use. Fill your water tank, insert your K-pod, select your K-cup size, then voila, you will have coffee in under a minute.